I often find when I'm using reminders, I end up with tons of items on my to-do list, and it's really hard to sort through them and work out which one the priority is now and which one can wait until later. Well, Reminders in iPadOS 26 has got a new feature powered by Apple Intelligence that will try and help you prioritize and triage your reminders by grouping them into logical sections for you. All you need to do is press the More button at the top, that's the one with 3 dots, and then you're going to find Auto-Categorise. Give it a couple of moments to work, and you'll notice it changes colour slightly as it does so. And then Apple Intelligence is going to group your items into sections for you. For example, personal tasks, teaching, meal planning are ones that are showing up on my screen at the moment. And you can see that all those reminders now exist under those sections, and of course I could drag and drop or rename the sections if I wanted to as well. And I can add reminders to any of those sections by simply tapping the blank line and then typing in there. However, sometimes you might find that actually the categorization hasn't gone quite the way you wanted, but that's okay because actually we can regenerate it as many times as we like. I'll go back to the More button at the top, those 3 dots, and this time I'm going to turn off those auto categories. And then, straight away, I can re-enable them, and now Apple Intelligence is going to analyse my list again and give me some different groupings. I feel like this time they're kind of a little bit more broad, the groupings it's given me, so home and personal, there's a few more items in there. There's a miscellaneous section which isn't quite so useful. But actually I do prefer that first lot, so we can simply regenerate them again. And this is one of the many new things in iPadOS 26. Check out my channel down below for what else is new. I'll see you next time.